Have you noticed how applying for a job feels different lately? You spend hours crafting resumes, sending applications, and silence. No response. No feedback. It's not you. It's the system. Artificial intelligence is quietly reshaping how companies hire, who they choose, and even which careers will survive. From automated screening to AI-driven interviews, the job market is transforming faster than most people realize. But here's the twist. The same technology that replaces some jobs is also creating new ways to earn, automate, and grow. In today's video, we'll explore how AI is changing the world of work, and how smart professionals are adapting to stay relevant, resilient, and financially independent in this new era. I want you to imagine this. You spend hours polishing your resume, customizing every word and hitting submit. Then, silence. No email, no call, nothing. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. Today's job market is evolving faster than ever, and here's the truth. Your first impression is no longer made in front of a recruiter, but in front of an algorithm. AI now scans resumes, ranks you by keywords, and even analyzes video interviews before a real person sees your face. It's not meant to replace you, but it does mean the game has changed. The question is, will you adapt, or let a line of code decide your future? Entry-level jobs, the ones many of us used to count on to start our careers, are changing fast. Tasks in admin, marketing, and even software are now being handled by automation and AI tools that never sleep, never take breaks, and can process data in seconds. But here's what I've learned after years of mentoring professionals. The jobs disappearing are not the ones that require heart, creativity, or human connection. Roles that involve storytelling, empathy, leadership, and strategy still stand strong. Because no algorithm can truly replace human intuition, the ability to read a room, solve problems with emotion, and inspire others. That's your real advantage in this new digital economy. I know many young professionals who feel caught in that strange space between graduation and real life. They send out hundreds of applications, pour hours into interviews, and still, no response. It's frustrating, even discouraging. But what's happening isn't just about tougher competition. It's a full transformation. Technology is rewriting how we get hired, how we learn new skills, and even how we earn a living. I've seen clients who once chased job titles now building income streams online, combining human creativity with smart automation. The truth is, the rules have changed. And those who adapt, who keep learning and stay flexible, are the ones shaping the next chapter of work and wealth. Fighting against AI is like trying to stop the tide. It's not going away. The smarter move is learning how to work with it. Think of AI as your co-pilot, not your competitor. Let it take care of the repetitive, mechanical stuff, organizing data, writing drafts, analyzing trends, so you can focus on what really builds value: creative thinking, human connection, and personal growth. One of my clients used AI to automate his weekly reports, freeing up hours to meet new partners and grow his business. That's the real power of integration. Using technology not to replace your effort, but to multiply your potential. The future isn't about choosing between humans and AI. It's about finding spaces where both work together. The strongest opportunities right now are in fields where technology enhances, not replaces, what people do best. Think about healthcare, where AI helps doctors diagnose faster, but empathy still heals patients. Or green energy, where innovation meets purpose. Even digital education. It's growing because people still want to learn from voices they trust. These industries reward a balance of efficiency and heart, data and intuition. So if you're planning your next move, look for paths where AI becomes your partner in impact, not your rival for relevance. That's where lasting growth truly begins. From a financial perspective, this is one of the most exciting times to be alive. The same automation that's transforming traditional jobs can also help you build income systems that work for you, even when you're not online. I've seen professionals create digital courses, consulting offers, or affiliate networks that generate steady revenue using smart tools and AI-driven systems. It's not about getting rich overnight, but about building processes that grow with consistency and creativity. When you combine your expertise with automation, you shift from trading time for money to creating value that scales. That's the foundation of true financial freedom in the AI era. Working smarter, not just harder. Around the world, The impact of AI isn't the same everywhere. In places like India, many jobs still rely on human oversight, but roles that simply follow instructions, what I call translation-style work, are already at risk. The truth is, any task that can be fully predicted can eventually be automated. That's why the most secure careers today are built on creativity, innovation, and adaptability. People who can think independently, design new solutions, and combine technology with human insight will always stay ahead. I often tell my clients, don't compete with the machine. Train it, guide it, and outthink it. That's how you build a career that lasts in a world driven by constant change. Right now, we're living through what many call the perfect storm. A mix of post-pandemic slowdown, rapid AI disruption, and too many graduates chasing too few jobs. But history shows that every storm also brings new opportunity. Wealth doesn't disappear, it simply moves. From those who resist change to those who adapt early. I've seen this pattern before. People who learn new tools, pivot their skills, and stay open-minded often end up leading the next wave of growth. So instead of fearing what's shifting, start asking, how can I position myself for what's next? Because the people who prepare today will be the ones others look up to tomorrow. Major companies like Amazon and Duolingo are already changing how they hire and train their teams. They're not just looking for smart people. They're looking for AI smart people. In other words, employees who can use technology to work faster, think strategically, and create more impact. In the near future, showing that you can collaborate with AI might matter just as much as your degree or years of experience. I've seen this firsthand. Clients who embrace AI tools in their workflow stand out immediately. They get noticed not for doing more, but for doing better. So if you want to stay ahead, start mastering the tools that shape tomorrow's workplace today. For midlife professionals, this moment is both a wake-up call and a window of opportunity. You've spent years building experience, intuition, and relationships, qualities no machine can truly copy. Now imagine pairing that wisdom with smart automation, digital systems that help you reach more clients, manage projects, or even generate passive income. I've worked with people in their 40s and 50s who turned decades of expertise into online programs or consulting systems that run almost on autopilot. The goal isn't to abandon work, it's to redesign it. When you combine human insight with technology, you build not just income, but independence. A life where your time finally works for you. In the bigger picture, this new era isn't about competing with technology. It's about evolving with it. The future belongs to those who stay curious, keep learning, and use AI as a trusted partner to create freedom, not fear. Whether you're just starting your career or reinventing yourself mid-journey, remember, progress always rewards preparation. So take that next small step today. Invest in your growth, build your systems, and keep moving forward. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to take charge of their financial future. Your journey to smarter income and lasting impact begins right here.